Hello friends, my name is Shreyan Datta. Today I am going to unbox our new LG refrigerator. So it's from LG Life's Good and this is a refrigerator. So we are going to unbox this refrigerator now. So cut it. So yes, cut it. So I have to take it out like this. Poop. And so we unboxed the fridge. It was taking so long time, that's why we paused it. So now we are going to take this up. My heart is low, that's why we are using this tool. So we are going to take this out. Yes. So get ready for the surprise. So this is our brand new refrigerator. So first we are going to take these out. Now we have to cut these or we can take it out. So something here. So our new refrigerator is ready to work. Now we have to take these things out. So let's take this thing. Whoa. Let's see. And here something is there. Come. See. Here is door cooling and this is lock. And this is the egg tray. Okay, means we can get eggs and keep it here. And here we can keep just like milk. And here and this is one. Let's take it out. So this is convertible inverter model. So we are taking this thing out. Take a movement. Here we take it. Wait. And so here is this thing. We are taking this out. And what is this? Something is here. And here is the key. And here are some instructions. So afterwards we read and then just. And so we have to take this tape out. And I took this tape out and this is a pull-up tray. Means this tray like this and again push it in. And this thing. So this thing is just how does this thing and these all are just in, and so we have to take these things out of this. So this is toughened glass and we have so many cabins and come here. And we have something here inside like this is coldest, convertible, freeze. We can press like this and like this. So here is a plug. Now we are going to cut this. Firstly, is not cutting. Wait. Cut it. So this is the plug connected from here to the up. So I have switched on the fridge. Whoa. Cooler is not coming, but I have switched on. See. And this, see, the light is coming out. And let's see the deep fridge ones. Wow. And see. Wait. Here something is written. What is written there? Convertible. And this is temporary control, okay? So we can put high and low. And here is convertible box. And like this we can do fruits. Means the air is coming out from here, you can see. And this is vegetables, means nothing will come and it's sealed. And this is fresh fruits and vegetables, means we can put here fruit and vegetable, whatever you want. And here door cooling, so on. Wait, something. Alarm that your door is open. See from here. Come. From here it's showing alarm that your door is open, and here there are 4 lights bright lights, 4 bright lights, and this is pull out threshold, yeah. And here a convertible ice box. And so for today's video, this much is enough. So bye, meet you in the next video. Thank you.